Hi, this is Jim Green. I'm going to walk through the initial setup of a part in milling. So I'm going to open up a SolidWorks model. I like to turn on Solidify, Simplify. Not always important, but it certainly doesn't hurt. I see a preview and accept that. So once I have accepted this, I notice that this part will probably be best done in two ops. So the first thing we always want to do is orient the part toward the first op. And let's say the first op will be on this face. So turning on face select, I right mouse click and align that face to my coordinate system, which in the 3-axis mill is going to be the XY plane. Once it's there, I like to go to an ISO view and shrink wrap my stock. That's under view, shrink wrap. Now that's the minimum stock that we are going to need to cut this part. Now we have a choice to add some stock. I'm going to bring in my stock document, and I will say that on this side I want the corner actually to be up in the upper left because I want to put this in a vise. So the next thing I would do is move the part origin, and I want the part origin to be an X. I want it to be with my Alt key. I'll pick that edge, and then Y I want it to be this edge. My Z has already been selected by the right mouse click, align to CS. Now let's put the origin at the top. I want to leave that there, but I do want to add some stock. Let's say on the X side I want to add minus another 100 thousandths. Y I want to keep that 0. Let's say that's a flat stock already made. And let's say this part is 1.5 inch thick. And I've checked my clearance plane, which is okay. My Z I want to face off 40 thousandths to clean it up. And on my Y negative I have 1.5 inch stock. So what I've just done, if we look at this on a top view, I've added stock on 3 sides. I have to add the stock to the X side. So on the X plus, I'm going to make that a 3-inch piece of stock. I'll just type that in. So now my stock is representative of the part going into the vise. That's the first thing I do, is get the part aligned with my origin, where I want it, the extra stock put around it, and there we go. I can verify this a couple of ways. One would be to go to Flash CPR and turn on transparent stock, which I have. Now to see the part in the stock, I have to highlight any part of it or all of it, and then when I hit my Flash CPR I will see my part as it will be in the stock. So that's the end of this movie segment. I now have my part correctly aligned and ready to do the first op. Thank you.